The Boating Adventure, channel update number 166. Well, a very good morning to you. It is Sunday the 17th of May 2026 and I'm out in the Swamp Duck and I'm on the fens. I'm on the River Witham out in the Lincolnshire fens, and it's been a really glorious sunrise this morning, and I captured a little bit of it on the camera. I got up early. So I'm just having some breakfast before I set off again. I want to get through Lincoln fairly early so I can get through the Stamp End lock before it gets too busy. So that's my plan, and I'm returning to my mooring at Torksey today. My next video will go out on Saturday the 23rd of May 2026. And that's a video of when I took the Swamp Duck from Torksey to Lincoln and spent a couple of nights in the Brayford Pool, and I did some sightseeing. So join me for that video on Saturday the 23rd of May 2026 at 8 AM. I'd like to thank you for your continuous support for the channel, and as always, do take care.